Welcome back to World Car. Please like, share and subscribe. The McLaren P1 GTR is a track-focused evolution of the already impressive McLaren P1 hypercar, designed with no compromises for road legality. It embodies McLaren's most advanced motorsport engineering, created as a tribute to the legendary McLaren F1 GTR that won Le Mans in 1995. The P1 GTR represents a purebred race machine that pushes the boundaries of what a hybrid hypercar can achieve. From a design standpoint, the P1 GTR looks even more aggressive than its road-legal sibling. It features a wider track, a significantly lowered ride height, and a massive fixed rear wing that incorporates a drag reduction system (DRS), allowing the car to slice through the air with reduced drag when needed. The aerodynamic changes result in increased downforce, giving it tenacious grip and high-speed stability. Every surface and vent serves a function, with cooling, downforce, or weight saving in mind. Under the hood, the P1 GTR utilizes the same hybrid powertrain as the standard P1, but with enhancements. It combines a 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine with an electric motor to produce a total output of 986 horsepower or 1,000 PS. This extraordinary power is delivered to the rear wheels through a 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox, allowing blistering acceleration. The car rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.5 seconds and has a top speed limited only by its gearing and aerodynamics, reaching close to 217 miles per hour on the right track. Inside, the P1 GTR strips back luxury in favor of function and weight saving. Gone are the plush materials of the road car. Instead, you find carbon fiber race seats, 6-point harnesses, a racing steering wheel inspired by McLaren's Formula One cars, and a center console focused on race telemetry. The cabin is built entirely around the driver, promoting maximum focus during high-speed driving. The roll cage, fire suppression system, and other safety equipment reflect its intended use as a track-only weapon. Driving the P1 GTR is an unmatched experience. The steering is razor-sharp and full of feedback, allowing the driver to place the car with precision. Braking is handled by carbon ceramic discs that offer immense stopping power with incredible fade resistance. The hybrid system provides instant torque from the electric motor, making throttle response instantaneous and brutal. The combined effect is a hypercar that behaves more like a race car than anything else, delivering extreme grip, relentless speed, and an immersive, visceral driving sensation. Only 58 units of the P1 GTR were built, making it an ultra-rare machine. Buyers were also given access to McLaren's special driver program, which included coaching from professional drivers, access to exclusive track events, and car storage and maintenance through McLaren's team. For some, the experience was more than just owning a car, it was becoming part of a motorsport lifestyle curated by one of the most iconic brands in racing. In essence, the McLaren P1 GTR is not just a hypercar, it's an uncompromising race car for the few lucky enough to experience it. It represents the peak of McLaren's innovation and performance, standing as a testament to the brand's engineering prowess and racing heritage.